Hey everybody, Preston with Gotzi Ag. On this week's Tech Tuesday video, we are going to be taking a closer look at Martin Till's ACCR row cleaners, and we're going to go through the benefits of it, some of the key features with it. Martin Till is a company out of Kentucky that builds very heavy duty and reliable row cleaners. Anything from the ACCR style here to more of your traditional floating row cleaner, to frame mounted row cleaners, and they have a variety of other parts and components from combine concaves all the way down to row unit components and closing wheel systems on row units too. So go to martintill.com, you can learn a little bit more about them there. We're going to jump in and take a look at the ACCR row cleaner. So as we look a little closer to the ACCR row cleaner, as you can see, it is a floating row cleaner, but it is just a little bit different than what the typical floating row cleaner would be. This one is set up on a parallel linkage system, much similar to a planter row unit. So that gives us 8 different pivot points on this row cleaner. So as far as durability, reliability, and longevity of the row cleaner itself, it's exponentially better than a typical floating row cleaner with just two pivot points. It also features the Precision Planting Clean Sweep cylinder for air control for vertical and horizontal lift. As you can see, this moves almost perfectly straight up and down vertically. That also helps with front bounce and keeping more consistent ground engagement with the row cleaner. So it is air control via Precision Planting Clean Sweep cylinder. Now, we've all had issues or seen issues in the past with clean sweep cylinders. This vertical action to where the row cleaner isn't bouncing consistently like it is in older or a different style of floating row cleaner, the longevity of the air cylinder is also better. The boot is protected a little bit better and just overall is in a better spot and just has a little less bounce and wear and tear on it. When we move to the wheels, this one is equipped with the finger tine style row cleaner and a standard depth band. We can also put shark tooth row cleaners on there if you need to be just a little bit more aggressive and move a little bit more dirt. So there's a lot of options that you can get on these. However, the features of the row cleaner frame itself, it's a step up in the ball game of floating row cleaners, specifically where we go from just maybe one standard pivot point on it to having this parallel arm system. The longevity and durability of them is increased significantly. So that's the ACCR row cleaner from Martin Till. Check them out, and if you got any more questions, give us a shout here at Gotzi Ag.